Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of regex and we're going to search inside of an array. So first of all, I'm going to create a subroutine here called emails. I'm going to create an array called my email and I'm going to assign that to some emails in here. So we've got bob@hotmail.com. We've simply got Bill, which is a name, and we've got joe@gmail.com, and we've got hello, which is a random word here. So what we're going to do is we're going to extract the emails out of that array. So we're going to create another variable here called emails. I'm going to assign it to grep to search for the emails. And here what we'll do, this is a regex pattern which will search specifically for emails in the email array. And then once we've found them and stored them in this variable here called emails, we will then print the emails out. So let's see how this works. Let's just run this. Okay, so we've extracted the emails out of there. There was 2 emails in this array and we've extracted them. Okay, we're going to come down onto the next program here, which is called extract name. So what we do here, we create an array called names and we populate it with some names: Bill, Bob, Ted and Sid. And then we create an extract name variable here and assign it to grep. And then we use this little character here as an iterator to iterate over the array. And if it becomes equal to one of these names, so we've mentioned Ted in here, this is the name that we are searching for. If it becomes equal to that in the names array, and if it's defined, we extract that name. Once we've extracted the name, we then print the name out. So let's call it, so it's going to be extract names. Let's save that. Let's see if we can extract the names from here. Let's have a look. Let's run it. Oh, what's happened here? Okay, it should be extract name, not names. Okay, so let's just run this. Okay, extracted name Ted. So we've extracted that name there, Ted. Right, what we're going to do now is we're going to create a subroutine called extract numbers. We create the array, and this time I'm going to create the array using QW, quoted words, and a /. So when we use QW, it's kind of like creating a quick array. We don't have to do anything to it, so we can just enter in the data with a little space there. So we've got some data in there, some names and a couple of numbers that we want to extract. So we want to be extracting 56 and 5. Now we create a variable to store these numbers in. So the variable is going to be called extract numbers. We assign it to grep, which will do the searching. And then what we do is we create this regex pattern here, which will extract numbers. It will extract single numbers and double numbers from this particular array, and then we print a message to the user: numbers are, and then the extracted numbers. So extract numbers, it's called extract numbers. Let's save it, let's run it. Okay, so it's extracted the numbers there, 56 and 5. Okay, so we're going to come down now onto something called capital words. So we're going to extract words with capitals. So I've created an array here called capital names using the quoted array. So some of these names have got capitals, some of them haven't. So we will be extracting the words that start with capital letters. So we create a variable to store them in called capitals. We assign that to the grep, which will do the searching, and we have the regex pattern here, which is going to, we've got this little character here, which means at the start. So at the start of the word, we're looking for a capital letter in this array, capital names. Then we print out a message to the user, capitals, and then the capital words that we've stored in that array. So this is going to be capital words. Let's save it. Let's run the program. And there you go. We've extracted London and Berlin. Those were the words that were capitalized in this array. Okay, we're going to go on to long words now. So subroutine long words. Again, create the array, put some words in there, and we want to extract a long word or two. So we create another array to store those words in. We assign it to Grep, which will do the search, and then we have to use the length function here and the iterator. So we're going to iterate over each one of these words, and if one of these words or more of these words is greater than 5 in this array, we're going to print out the words. So this is going to be long words. Okay, let's run it. Okay, so we got London, mobile. The one it hasn't extracted is Paris, because it mustn't be greater than 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's right. So it's extracted every other word, because every other word except for Paris was greater than 5. Okay, finally, the last subroutine here called short words, which is going to be the opposite of the above. So again, we have an array, we've got some words in, we've created another array to store those words in, and we've assigned it to the grep function. We also use the length function here and the iterator. Now what we're saying is if the word is less than or equal to 3 in the short words array above, we're going to print out the shortest words and then the shortest words that are stored in here. So let's just try that. Okay, let's just run that. Okay, so the short word is hen in here. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a big thumbs up, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.